Today I will cook pork miso soup. Pork miso soup has lots of ingredients and tastes sweet, so I love it. In general, miso soup has 2 or 3 ingredients, but pork miso soup has 6 or more ingredients, so I think you can enjoy more. So let's cook. Sweet potato, peel it. Cut it. Japanese radish. Cut. Carrot. Burdock. Fried tofu. Konjac. Pork belly. Put all ingredients into the pot. I think it's too much, but anyways, okay. And simmer. Oh. Miso. Yep. Add more. Secret ingredient. Miso. Again, but different type. I love Konjac texture. And this is a little bit sweet, and there are lots of ingredients, so you can enjoy lots of taste and texture, and there are lots of visits, so I feel healthy also. So if you like it, let's cook it and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.